When we advise you to bleach with sense, you don't listen. We advise you to take breaks, you don't listen. Now you are suffering from white dots and you're getting frustrated. Anyway, I got you covered. Watch this video till the end if you're having those annoying white dots on your skin due to excessive skin bleaching. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you are new, you're welcome, and if you are returning, you're welcome back. I hope you are having an amazing day. So today I'm coming to you with a remedy for white dots. I made a video about white dots, what to do if you have white dots a week ago. Go check that video because it's very much detailed, but I didn't tell you what to use after doing what you have to do, what to use. So that's why I'm coming to you with this video. Now, white dots is a condition that is caused by depigmentation, mostly by depigmentation. When your skin has loose color, when your skin is not having enough color, you have bleached your skin until you're becoming white, 5 shades lighter, 3 shades lighter, 4 shades, continuously without taking breaks. That's what happens. And now your skin is looking bad, your skin is looking so horrible, you don't like your skin anymore, and you're looking for something to use on your skin. When we say don't bleach too much, you think we are wicked, we don't want you to glow, but you have to use your brains if you must bleach your skin. I don't want it, I don't stand for it, but if you must do it because it's your skin, it's not my skin, do it with sense. So now, go and get yourself a bottle of coconut oil. If your white dots is caused by depigmentation or skin bleaching, harsh chemicals, because there are also some white dots that are caused by just medical conditions. Now in such a case, you want to see a dermatologist. If your condition is too bad, because you bleach your skin, it's very bad, please go and see a dermatologist so that they can help you fast, because home remedies are very effective, but they take time. Now, if you are just beginning to see it, you want to make sure you get a bottle of coconut oil, pure coconut oil. Get a bottle of coconut oil. Go get yourself a bottle of vitamin E oil or some capsules, whichever one you want to deal with. Get yourself vitamin E oil, because coconut oil is going to help with reactions on the skin, the white dots. It's going to help darken you, because you've over bleached your skin has lost some color. It's going to help bring you some color back into your skin. It's going to darken your skin a little bit or more than it was. And then the vitamin E oil is going to help to heal your skin. Coconut oil is very effective for white dots. Believe me, it's very effective. It's just so effective. But you need to be patient. You need to be patient. When you start having white dots, when you start developing white dots, you start noticing that you look old, like you look older than your age, because you're looking like, age mothers, right? Our grandmas, they used to get some of those white dots on their skin because of age. That is fine. There's no call for concern or call for alarm when it comes to that. But now when you start getting because of products, that's how you start looking old when you're not old. So you want to get vitamin E oil. Is very good for anti-aging. It's very good for wrinkles, fine lines, and all whatnot. So you want to get it applied on your skin as well. Now, how to use it? You can choose. But what I don't recommend is for you to mix. Don't mix and keep at home. Don't mix coconut oil and vitamin E oil and keep at home. Don't do that. Don't just do that. Get yourself a bottle of coconut oil. You can either apply your vitamin E oil on your skin first, then you apply coconut oil on top of it. Or at a point of when you've taken your shower, you want to use your oil, you put coconut oil in your palm, put vitamin E oil in your palm, mix both together and rub. You can do coconut oil 60%, vitamin E oil 40%. You understand? You see, let me tell you something. It's more expensive to destroy your skin, to repair your skin than to destroy it. So you want to spend to repair that skin. You want to spend to repair that skin. Go get yourself vitamin E oil. I know vitamin E oil is pricey. Yeah, it's more pricey than coconut oil. Get yourself a bottle of it. If you're living around the UK or in the Europe or America, you can get, I think you can get 500 ml for about 24 pounds. 25 pounds. I got that a while ago, and it's going to last you a whole long time. So get that, apply your vitamin E oil on your skin, then apply coconut oil on top of it. Do that morning and night, and I guarantee you in the space of 1 week, you'll start seeing results. You will start seeing results. Coconut oil is going to help darken your skin, give your skin. Remember, the white spots is because of depigmentation. And please stay away from harsh products. Stay away from this very cheap products. And if you must use cheap products, use them with taking breaks. Use them with breaks. Use them alongside moisturizers. I'm going to be dropping a video on how you can dilute harsh chemicals in your products. That video will be coming up soon. So watch this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to make that video how you can, because I know all fingers are not equal. Some people can't afford expensive products, so they want to go for those cheap products. I'm going to tell you how you can dilute the harsh chemicals, the hydroquinone in your lotions to give it a little bit of, make it manageable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, and I hope it finds you well as well. So share it with your friends. There are people around you suffering white dots, whatever, skin reactions, sometimes rashes on the skin. Coconut oil can help sometimes with rashes on the skin. Just share with them so you can help somebody, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Comment if you have things you want me to talk about on this channel, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Please support your girl, support me. I'm here to help you get that glowing skin. And if you want to see what I use on my skin, go and watch the last video I dropped before now this one. Watch the video, do what you're supposed to do, and let's glow together. I'll see you in my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye. This is